In this video, I'm going to show you 6 online tools and applications that will help you in any online side hustle. There are many forms of side hustles that you may have in order to make some extra income along with your regular job. But today we are focusing only on the online side hustles. Now I have listed 6 main categories of online side hustles in a chart that you can see on the screen. And I have also put a disclaimer that this is not a complete list, and the opinion you can see on this chart is my own personal opinion. There are many other companies offering services and products that you can use to make some extra income, and some companies that did not work for me might work for you. But the purpose of this video is to not explain all these side hustles. I have just listed them here. The purpose is to give you a set of tools that will help you to do those activities that may help you to improve your side hustle earnings. And whatever path you might want to follow, these applications and software will help you on your path to success. Now, without further ado, let's get started after a short break. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tahir and I make videos about many technology applications. If you are interested in this topic, please hit the subscribe button. That I would highly appreciate. Now, I'm not explaining anything like get rich quick scheme. I'm just giving you some tools, and I wish I knew these when I started my online side hustle journey nearly 5 years ago. Now, the first tool that I would recommend you learn in the very beginning, before anything else, if you want to make some income from internet, is an email autoresponder. And it took me nearly 2 years to realize that even if you have thousands of fans on social media, it doesn't matter and it does not affect your income. The thing which really matters is your email list. Only those people who are willing to give you their emails are your true fans. And you don't need millions of those. A couple of thousands will be more than enough to support your online passion. And remember one thing, that whatever product or services you are offering online must be the one you like. If you don't like doing something, don't expect that you will be making money from that. Now, before I explain how email autoresponder works, first, you should choose a product and services that you want to offer, which is aligned with your interests. Then you create a document, a small PDF file on which you put some tips about what you are offering. For example, if you are offering an online course on any topic, then you create a small PDF explaining some tips for the beginners on that topic. And this PDF you will offer for free. And this is where you need an autoresponder, because you will offer this PDF, which is called a lead magnet, for free to those people who are willing to give you their email. And then autoresponder will collect emails for you. Now, all these tools that I'm going to show you, they have a free version as well as a paid version. And I like these types of tools because the tools that are only free, they are either in their testing phase or they don't have full features. And as an online entrepreneur, we need tools that have full features, and we might be able to get a paid version when we are making money. Now, I have used many tools in the past as autoresponder. For example, MailChimp, MailerLite, and ConvertKit. And I'm currently using ConvertKit. I like its interface. So I will make a separate video if you want me to make a video about this. But you can choose any of the top email autoresponders, and there are many. Now, the second tool I would recommend is Google Docs. As an online entrepreneur, we need a word processor, we need a spreadsheet. Sometimes we have to make slides. We need a professional quality email, and we need a storage. And you can get all that in one place for free with Google Docs. The only thing I pay for is $25 per year because I got 100 GB storage. In the free version, you only get 15 GB. So this is the only expense, which is not much. In the beginning, you can start for free because 15 GB would be enough for you in the beginning. And the best part I like about this is that you don't have to worry about saving your files. Whatever you write, that is saved. Another benefit is that you can share with your team members. When you grow, you need to get a team and you will be able to upscale your online business if you are already using Google Docs. So I write my blog post, my video scripts, everything on Google Docs. I save all my files on Google Docs. On a side note, if you are having a lot of video content, that I would suggest that you get a membership of Vimeo. That will cost you about $100, but you will be able to store GB per week video content on Vimeo. But if your content is of mixed nature, few videos, few PDFs, then you can use Google Docs. So the third tool that I recommend is Canva.com, which is a browser-based application. And this is the tool I have been using for years. I used this nearly 4 years for free, and then I got the paid version, which is less than $100 per year, not very expensive. And this is the tool I cannot live without, because for all my videos, there are 450 videos, I have created thumbnails on this tool. And not only thumbnails, for my online courses, I have created hundreds of images on Canva.com. First, I created slides in Canva and then I explained those concepts in my course videos. You can also make videos in Canva. You can get high quality graphic elements. You can create advertisement. You can create GIFs to promote your product or services. There are many things we do on a daily basis as online entrepreneurs that can be done in Canva. Now, Canva also has some artificial intelligence tools that will further enhance its usefulness. Now, the next tool is about video editing. On your online side hustle journey, a stage will come when you will need videos, because video is the most engaging medium. And the free video editor I would recommend is DaVinci Resolve, which is a full-featured video editor. You will get all professional quality features. It has some learning curve, but this is the best free video editor in my opinion. Now, the next tool you have already probably guessed from the logo is an AI tool, artificial intelligence tool called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI and was released for the general public few months ago. And this tool provides you information about any topic. You might have many questions during your online side hustle journey, and ChatGPT will provide you the answers. So just like Google, you can ask ChatGPT about any topic and it will give you the reply. I have a separate video about ChatGPT. There are many things I look for on ChatGPT. I can ask for keywords about any topic. I can ask for any blog post ideas. I can create a video script on ChatGPT. If you are not very good in writing emails, you can write emails using ChatGPT. It can write essays. There are a couple of things you should be aware of, that ChatGPT is based on some training data, which is not very updated. It is up to 2021. So some information may not be correct. And also sometimes ChatGPT will give you totally wrong information with full confidence. So this is one of the biggest flaws, but still it's very useful and it can answer many of your questions during your online entrepreneur journey. And now the last tool I would recommend is WordPress. WordPress is a content management system. And for any online side hustle, you will need a website. There are many ready-made options for you, but I would suggest that you learn how to build websites in WordPress, because that will give you a lot of flexibility in making your landing pages, a website for your business, and collecting emails, all this kind of activities. So WordPress knowledge in conjunction with some search engine optimization knowledge will help you in your online journey. In particular, in affiliate marketing, if you follow this route, you must understand how to build websites in WordPress, which is the most popular content management system. So together, all these 6 tools will cover almost 90% of all your online activities. But these 6 tools will need some of your time and you might have to spend around 100 hours on every one of these tools in order to understand their functionality with full potential. So I hope that now you get the idea. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.